Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a crucial topic to discuss: heart health. Specifically, we'll be diving into the foods that can help prevent heart attacks based on reliable scientific research. Before we jump into the specific foods, let's briefly understand why heart health is so vital. The heart is a powerhouse, and maintaining its well-being is crucial to a long and healthy life. One of the most serious threats to the heart is an infarctus, or a heart attack, which occurs when blood flow to a part of the heart muscle becomes blocked. Now, let's explore the foods that can help us keep our hearts strong and resilient. First on our list are foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Numerous studies have shown that these healthy fats can reduce the risk of heart disease. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout are excellent sources of omega-3. These fats help lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and decrease the risk of blood clots, all key factors in preventing heart attacks. Next up, let's talk about the power of antioxidants. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are packed with antioxidants that have been linked to a lower risk of heart disease. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, contributing to overall heart health. So, make sure to include a variety of colorful berries in your diet. Switching gears to carbohydrates, but the right kind: whole grains. Foods like oats, quinoa, and brown rice are rich in fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels. High cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease, so incorporating whole grains into your diet can be a game changer for heart health. Don't forget about nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are excellent choices. They're rich in heart-healthy nutrients, including unsaturated fats, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids. Snacking on a handful of nuts can be a tasty and heart-smart choice. Let's talk about leafy greens now. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are not only rich in vitamins and minerals but also loaded with antioxidants. These greens contribute to lower blood pressure and reduced arterial stiffness, promoting a healthy cardiovascular system. As we wrap up, remember that a heart-healthy diet is just one piece of the puzzle. Combine these nutritious foods with regular exercise, stress management, and avoiding tobacco to maximize your heart health. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share it with anyone you care about. Stay heart healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.